This is a demonstration for stubble height monitoring, which is one type of short-term monitoring that's often done for riparian areas and near streams. And we've used some fake plants here, and we've got some little footprints. Often we do this in the field with what we call a step or a pace transect. So these little footprints are to mimic that step or pace transect. And so we're going to measure the plant that's closest to our toe every time our foot comes down. And then the other thing that our protocol says is to measure to the nearest inch, and we want average height. So we've got some of these that are just over 5 inches, some of these that are pushing 8 inches, and so we don't have to get really particular, but we could call this an average height of 6 inches for that stubble height. Then the next time our foot comes down, we've got this plant, and I would call that an average of 2 inches. Okay, and then we come up here a little bit more, and we've got a mix again. I'm going to call that another 6-inch average height. Now this one here is a little interesting. If you look close, you can see there's 2 plants demonstrated here. Here's one plant, and here's the other plant. The protocol says to measure the one that's closest to our toe, so that would mean even though we've got a full height one right here, we're going to measure this one. So again, to the nearest inch, I would say that is an average of 2 inches. And then we just keep doing that. And if we were doing this in real life, we'd probably be walking a transect right along the stream at what we call the green line. And that's where the water and the perennial vegetation meet.
How far away would these points normally be? Like a yard, or how far apart?
Normally, yeah, a yard or 2 yards, sometimes 3 yards apart. Yeah. So we crunched everything down just to demonstrate it and do it inside.